Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharat Chandra. Today's video is extremely important, much awaited video. The video is about LIC IPO because many people have been asking us for many months, when is the LIC IPO coming, should we invest, what are the details, etc. In today's video, we will try to give as much as information as possible and you can take a decision accordingly. Life Insurance Corporation or LIC was formed in 1956 by merging around 245 insurance companies. It is the largest insurance company in India with a market share of around 66% in new policy premiums received. It operates around 2048 branches, 113 divisional offices and 1554 satellite offices. It also has offices in Mauritius, Bangladesh, Nepal, Singapore, Sri Lanka, UAE, Qatar, UK, etc. LIC has more than 13.5 lakh agents or financial advisors who bring most of the new business. It owns assets more than the entire Indian mutual fund industry combined. So you can see how big LIC is. It invests in stocks and bonds and owns approximately 4% of all listed stocks in India. It is the fifth largest insurance company in the world. LIC's assets are worth around 39 to 40 lakh crores as of now. The company offers insurance products like endowment, money back, unit linked insurance products, ULIPs, term insurance products, and annuity and pension products. LIC collects money for its various insurance policies and invests the money in various stocks and bonds to earn higher returns. The usual returns guaranteed for insurance policies is 5.5 to 6% per annum, while it invests in a mixture of stocks and bonds to earn much higher returns. This is the profit of LIC. Top 10 holdings of LIC I have put down in a table. In Reliance Industries, they hold a 6.13% stake, TCS 3.65% stake, ITC 16.24% stake, Infosys 5.67%, SBI 8.34%, ICICI 7.77%, L&T 12.16%, IDBI Bank 49.24%, Hindustan Unilever 4.46% and ONGC 10.44% stake held by LIC. Market share of insurance companies approximately as on January 2022. HDFC Life Insurance 8% market share in the entire sector, ICICI Prudential 5%, SBI Life Insurance 9%, Life Insurance Corporation LIC 61%. Approximately the market share is somewhere between 60 to 65%. Different statistics are giving different figures, but approximately you can imagine it to be 60 to 65%. LIC's financials. 31st March 2020, the total assets were 34.14 lakh crores and profit after tax 2,710 crores. 31st March 2021, 37.46 lakh crores was the total assets, profit after tax 2,974 crores. 31st December 2021, 40.9 lakh crores total assets, profit after tax 1,715 crores. I have not mentioned the total revenues here because different websites are giving different figures. They don't seem to be very reliable. So I have kept that information out. I have given you only the total assets and profits. What are the strengths of the LIC IPO? Point number 1. LIC is the number 1 life insurance company in India since the last 65 years. Number 2. LIC has a very strong brand value and most people in India know what is LIC. 3. People have high faith in LIC since it is a government owned company. 4. Wide distribution network of insurance advisors to spread the LIC's policies in all parts of the country. Risks of LIC IPO. Point number 1. Gradually they have been losing market share to private companies. Around 10 years back their market share was around 75%. Now it is somewhere around 65%. Point number 2. Lower efficiency compared to private companies. Point number 3. Poor new policy growth, especially in urban areas. And point number 4. The track record of public sector stocks in stock markets is very poor. Almost all companies have destroyed the wealth of investors in the long term. We need to see whether LIC is going to be an exception or it is going to follow other public sector companies. Objectives of this IPO. To achieve the benefits of listing on the stock exchanges, because once it is on the stock exchanges, more people come to know about the stock and about the company. To help government sell partial stake in LIC to raise funds for their requirements. Peer companies valuation. HDFC Life Insurance P ratio is 101. ICICI Prudential PE ratio is 100. SBI Life Insurance, the PE ratio is approximately 71. And LIC at IPO issue price is 262. So looking at this parameter, it is looking expensive, but most of the market leaders always have a higher PE ratio. IPO issue information. Face value is rupees 10 per share. Issue price 902 to 949 per share. Current grey market premium is around 90 rupees per share, so 9.5% above the issue price. Expected listing price will be 1039 if the current grey market premium continues. Discount on the issue price. LIC is giving certain categories of investors some discount in the investment amount. LIC policy holders are getting 60 rupees per share as discount, so effective issue price will be 889. LIC employees get 45 rupees discount, so issue price 904 for this category. Retail shareholders also 45 rupees discount and 904 rupees per share is the issue price. IPO issue information. Total IPO size 21,008.48 crores. In this, the fresh issue is 0, nil, and offer for sale shares sold by government 21,008.48 crores. IPO lot size and investment. Minimum you can apply for one lot, 15 shares, so 14,325. Maximum 14 lots, so 210 shares. The investment will be 1,99,290. Promoter shareholding pattern. Before the IPO, government held 100% stake in LIC. After the IPO, they are going to have 96.5% stake in LIC. IPO quota. Qualified institutional buyers reserved 50% shares. Retail investors 35% reserved for them. HNIs 15% reserved. IPO timetable. 4th May is the first day of the IPO. 9th May is the closing day of the IPO. Allotment finalization will happen on the 12th of May 2022. Refunds will be initiated on 13th May. Credit of shares to the demat account is 16th May. And LIC IPO will be listed on the stock exchanges on 17th May 2022. As of now, the grey market premium is around 10% above the issue price. So there could be some listing gains for investors. We will have to see how the grey market premium fluctuates in the coming days because there are 2 more days for the IPO, and during the IPO also it will fluctuate based on the news in the market. We will update the subscription status and grey market premium on 5th May, which is the second day of the IPO, in our breaking news video. Personally, we will not be applying for this IPO because our policy is to not invest in any public sector stocks because generally their performance in the long term in stock markets has been very poor. But you can take a decision whether you want to invest for listing gains or hold for long term, and if you feel that LIC will do well in the future as well in spite of the competition from private companies, then you can accordingly invest. After going through all the information in this video, are you considering to apply for the LIC IPO? If yes, type yes in the comment section. Otherwise, type no in the comment section. If you like this video, please click the like button and share this video with all your friends because everybody is looking for this information. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.